10 good habits you must adopt ASAP. Number 1. Smile. This may not be something you will always want to do, particularly in times of high stress. But studies say that smiling when you're stressed out can actually send messages to your mind which change your neurochemistry. These changes in your neurochemistry can have a positive effect on your health and your happiness. A study published in Psychological Science by psychologists from the University of Kansas states that smiling can, in fact, reduce stress and make people feel happier. Researchers recruited 169 college students, and the study found that students who were smiling had lower heart rates when completing stressful tasks, while those who weren't smiling had a higher heart rate. The more you know. So try to force yourself to smile in times of high stress or sadness and see how it improves your life. Number 2. Write a list of what you are grateful for. Try to spend 20 to 30 minutes every day making a list of everything that you are grateful for in your life. This will help you realize that you actually have a lot to be thankful for, and will give you a more positive perspective about your life. Do you already adopt any of these good habits in your life? Well, if you don't, you should. These habits can help improve your life and keep you happy, healthy, and positive. And make sure you keep watching to find out what other good habits you should adopt, as well as bad habits you should get rid of in your life. Number 3. Wake up early. If you're a night owl, or not so much of a morning person, this may not be easy for you, but give it a try anyway. You'll be surprised by how much extra time you'll have to do things during the day, and will feel a sense of accomplishment when you finish everything early and still realize you have the whole day ahead of you. For example, if you work out in the morning when you are used to working out at night, you'll have all that time that you usually spend working out at night to do whatever you please. If you wake up early, you won't be interrupted if you're doing anything important as you start off your day. You'll have a fresh start to the day, and you'll also find that you'll be able to get more things done, leaving more time for things later in the day. Number 4. Exercising and eating right. Exercise and a healthy diet are vital to our bodies and can help the longevity of our lives. Exercising for as little as 20 minutes a day can have a positive impact on your life. This is because exercising releases endorphins in our brain, which make us feel good, happier, and more positive. Find an exercise regimen that works for you and turn it into a habit. Not only will it improve your health and your body, but it will also improve your mind and will give you more confidence. Number 5. Save money. Saving money is not easy, especially when you have bills to pay while you're trying to maintain a social life at the same time. One great habit is saving at least 20% of your paycheck every time you get paid. Trust me, you'll thank me in the long run. Number 6. Stay organized. An organized life is an easier one. When you're feeling stressed or have a lot to do, being unorganized can sometimes make things worse. So try to make organization a habit in your life. Being in an organized environment can help clear your mind and stabilize your thoughts, so give it a shot. Take a few minutes out of your day to clean up any clutter or garbage around your house or work area. Also, try to focus on organizing your mind and your thoughts. Number 7. Conquer your fears. Are you afraid of doing anything? Maybe talking to your boss about your promotion, or even going for a driver's license test that you've been too scared to fail for months. Try to do at least one thing you're afraid of every day. It doesn't have to be a huge thing. But it can be a small thing which will overall improve your life. If you fail, you fail. Use it as a tool to help you succeed the next time. Number 8. Set goals for yourself. These goals can be big goals, or even small goals, as long as they are realistic. Set up steps to achieve these goals and try your best to accomplish them every day. You will feel amazing after achieving each goal, and it will only motivate you to set and achieve more. Number 9. Sleep. Make sure you are getting enough sleep. Try to get at least 7 hours a night. You might not be able to achieve this every night, but try to clock in those hours of sleep on most nights. Sleep helps us rest, recover, and rejuvenate, and refresh our minds. Lack of sleep affects our mood, mind, and our health, so make sure you're getting enough sleep. Number 10. Take care of your body and your personal hygiene. This may seem like common sense, but taking care of your health, especially your body, will drastically improve your life. Taking care of your body will make you feel better about yourself and also enhance your overall appearance. So get to it. Clean your face and your body every day, and try not to wear excessive makeup. Develop cleaning habits to get rid of dirty pores and blackheads. Try to exfoliate every few days as well. That will help remove dead skin cells and lead to smoother, clearer complexion. Well, there you have it. 10 amazing habits you should adopt ASAP to improve your life. Now that you know what habits you should add to your life to make it better, here are some bad habits you should absolutely drop from your life. Biting your nails. Many people bite their nails when they are feeling anxious or nervous. In fact, some people are so accustomed to biting their nails that sometimes they don't even notice when they're doing it. Nail biting is not only a bad habit, but it is also not very socially appealing. You may not know it, but people do notice when you're biting your nails in public. Drop this habit from your life and find other ways to reduce your stress. Eating junk food. Not only is junk food full of unhealthy fats and sugars, but it also causes weight gain. Eating excessive amounts of junk food can also lead to binge eating. Instead of eating junk food, try incorporating more fruits and veggies into your life. Avoid drinking carbonated drinks and start making a positive change in your health. Smoking. Well, this one is pretty self-explanatory. Smoking is not only bad for your lungs, but it leads to nicotine addiction and can make you age much faster. Smoking also causes bad breath and yellow teeth, and who wants that, right? Hanging around negative people. It's true when they say you are who you hang around with. If you are constantly around negative people, their bad energy will naturally rub off on you. So spend more time with supportive people who appreciate you and encourage you to pursue your goals. If you hang out with people who are successful and accomplished, they will inspire you to do what you can to become more successful. So get those negative people out of your life. Drinking. While having a few drinks here or there is never a bad thing, over-drinking or binge drinking can cause serious damage to your health. According to the National Institute on Alcohol Abuse and Alcoholism, excessive drinking can lead to brain problems, pancreatitis, all sorts of different cancers, heart disease, liver disease, and more. Good habits help us live healthy, positive, and successful lives. Sometimes it's easier for us to take the easy route in life, but in all reality, we should be doing our best to enhance our lives, bodies, and minds. If you're having trouble keeping good habits in your life, this video will show you which ones you should add to your life and how they can improve it too. The good thing about habits is that when they start becoming a part of our daily routines, we adapt to them quickly. Once habits start becoming part of our daily routines, they become second nature, and can drastically improve many aspects of our lives. So, do you do any of the good habits we talked about in this video? What bad habits do you do that you think you should drop from your life? Let us know in the comment section below. If you found this video helpful, share it with your friends too. Enjoyed this video? Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.